Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dynamic drop-down list in Excel. This is a great way to make your data entry more efficient and organized. First, we need to prepare the data that will be used for our drop-down list. For example, let's create a list of fruits. Next, we insert new row in which we will write name of our list. Then we select our data, and in the Insert section we create table. And make sure you have tick box which says My table has headers. That means first row named fruits is header. Now that we have our data in a table, we will select only our data not header. So only fruit names, and we need to go Formulas tab, and here click on Name Manager. And we create new, name it how you want and click OK. Now let's set up our drop-down list. Select the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon and click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog under the Settings tab, select List from the Allow drop-down menu. In the Source box we need to press F3 on keyboard, and we select our named range fruits. Now click on the cell where you added the drop-down. You should see a drop-down arrow appear. Click on it, and you'll see your list of fruits. As you add more items to your original list in the table, the drop-down will automatically update. Just go ahead and add a new fruit, like kiwi, and check your drop-down list again. And there you have it! You've successfully created a dynamic drop-down list in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.